How do you change the theme color palette in PowerPoint? If you want to create a unique look for your presentation, you can change the individual colors that make up your presentation's theme. From the Design tab, click the drop-down arrow in the Variants group. Select Colors, then click Customize Colors. A dialog box will appear with the 12 current theme colors. To edit a color, click the drop-down arrow and select a different color. You may need to click More Colors to find the exact color you want. All text and design elements in the presentation that use that theme color will change their tone.